Alright, I'm Corey.
And I'm Austin Nick.
And this is some really cold water. Ow! Come on, meekers. Jump into my arms.
Hold on. I'm going to do it big.
Hey, get this in the shot.
Oh, shit stain!
Meekers, turn around so we can see your shit stain.
Oh, yeah, check out my brown light. I call it water the brown.
Turn around, damn it. Stay turned around.
Water comes brown water. It's so cold.
Alright, ready?
Hey, whatever you do, avoid all the white stuff. That's our spit.
Oh, Corey, you're a fish.
Alright, let's go.
Brett, you should be so proud of your man. This water is seriously like below 30.
Oh, shit. Hey, Evan.
I can't see you. Clear the glare.
No one will ever go down there, dude.
Where?
Down over left and right. Oh, my God. Alright, we're good.
Yeah!
Yeah. Just quit the film. The film doesn't need to be on YouTube.